What if I told you there's an AI that can book your appointments, manage your entire workflow, and remember every conversation you've ever had with it? No, this isn't science fiction. These are called AI agents, and they're already changing everything in 2025. Whether you've heard of AutoGPT, OpenAI's new operator agent, or you're just curious about what Agentic AI even means, you're about to discover why everyone in tech is absolutely obsessed with these digital assistants. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI agents, what they are, how they work, and most importantly, how you can start using them in your daily life, even if you're completely new to AI tools. So first things first, what exactly is an AI agent? Think of traditional AI like ChatGPT as a really smart person who gives you great advice when you ask questions. But AI agents? They're like having a personal assistant who not only answers your questions, but actually does the work for you. Here's what makes them special. Autonomy. They work without you constantly telling them what to do. Goal orientation. Give them an objective, and they'll figure out how to achieve it. Adaptability. They learn from experience and get better over time. And interactivity. They engage with apps, websites, and systems just like you would. Picture this. Instead of you manually checking 5 different websites for the best flight deals, an AI agent does it all for you, compares prices, considers your preferences, and even books the ticket. That's the power we're talking about. So, how do these digital wizards actually pull this off? Let me break down their secret sauce. Step 1. Perception and data gathering. These agents are constantly sensing their environment, whether that's your calendar, emails, databases, or even physical sensors. They're like digital detectives gathering all the clues they need. Step 2. Goal setting and task breakdown. When you give them a high-level goal like plan my vacation, they don't panic. Instead, they break it down into smaller tasks. Research destinations, check your budget, find flights, book hotels, create an itinerary. Step 3. Reasoning and decision-making. This is where the magic happens. Using advanced reasoning techniques, some use something called chain of thought or tree of thoughts, they evaluate options, predict outcomes, and choose the best actions. Step 4. Taking action. Here's what separates agents from regular chatbots. They actually do things. They make API calls, update databases, send emails, control devices. They're not just thinking, they're acting. Step 5. Learning and adapting. The coolest part? They get feedback from their actions and continuously improve. It's like having an assistant who gets better at their job every single day. Let's talk about the rock stars of the AI agent world that you can actually use today. AutoGPT. This is like the Swiss Army knife of AI agents. You give it a goal, and it creates its own to-do list, researches solutions, and executes tasks autonomously. Perfect for automating research projects or complex workflows. OpenAI Operator, brand new and incredibly exciting. This agent can actually browse the web for you. Imagine telling it, book me a restaurant reservation for Friday night, and watching it navigate websites, fill out forms, and complete the booking. Perplexity AI agent. Think of this as your real-time knowledge companion. It doesn't just answer questions, it actively searches the web, synthesizes information, and gives you up-to-date insights. Claude AI agents by Anthropic. These are designed with safety and helpfulness in mind. They're excellent for writing tasks, analysis, and having nuanced conversations while actually helping you accomplish your goals. Cursor Code Generation Agent. This one's a game changer for anyone who wants to learn coding. It doesn't just suggest code, it can write entire applications based on your descriptions. Athena Intelligence Agent, perfect for data nerds. This agent can analyze complex datasets, create visualizations, and provide business insights automatically. Not all agents are created equal. Let me give you the rundown on the main types. Reactive agents are the simplest. They just respond to specific triggers. Think basic chatbots that follow if-then rules. Goal-based agents are much smarter. They plan actions to achieve specific objectives and adapt when things change. Utility-based agents optimize for specific outcomes, like finding the fastest route or the cheapest price. Learning agents are the most advanced. They use trial and error to constantly improve their performance. But here's where it gets really exciting. We're seeing multimodal AI agents that can work with text, images, audio, and video simultaneously, and memory-augmented agents that remember every interaction and get more personalized over time.
Let's get practical. How can you use AI agents starting today?
Personal productivity. Set up an agent to manage your calendar, prioritize your daily tasks, and send follow-up reminders automatically. Smart shopping. Have an agent track prices for items you want, notify you of deals, and even make purchases when conditions are right. Health and fitness. An agent can plan your workouts, track your progress, and adjust your routine based on your performance. Learning and skill development. Imagine an agent that curates learning materials, creates study schedules, and tracks your progress toward mastering new skills. Home automation. Agents can control your smart devices, optimize energy usage, and even order groceries when you're running low. Financial management. They can track expenses, alert you to unusual spending, and help optimize your budget automatically.
Ready to dive in? Here's your action plan. Step 1. Identify your pain points. What repetitive tasks eat up your time? Email management, research, scheduling? Start there. Step 2, choose your first agent. For beginners, I recommend starting with something like Perplexity for research tasks or trying out AutoGPT for workflow automation. Step 3, set clear, measurable goals. Don't just say, help me be more productive. Instead, try, remind me of deadlines 24 hours in advance and suggest time blocks for focused work. Step 4, start small and scale up. Begin with simple automations and gradually increase complexity as you get comfortable. Step 5, monitor and adjust. Remember, these agents learn from feedback. Regularly review their performance and adjust their goals and permissions. The future is absolutely wild. We're heading toward a world where multiple agents will work together in teams, dividing complex projects among themselves. Privacy-first agents will handle sensitive data while keeping everything secure and under your control. Multi-agent systems will coordinate to handle enterprise-level tasks that would take human teams weeks to complete. And here's the kicker, soon, working with AI agents will be as normal as using email or smartphones today. So there you have it. AI agents are not just the future, they're here right now, ready to transform how you work, learn, and live. The question isn't whether AI agents will change your life, it's whether you'll be an early adopter who gets the advantage, or wait until everyone else catches up. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. I'm constantly exploring the latest AI tools and sharing practical guides. And remember, in the age of AI agents, the goal isn't to be replaced by artificial intelligence, it's to be augmented by it. These digital assistants aren't here to take your job, they're here to make you superhuman at it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into the world of AI.